Welcome back to the channel. Just reading about coronavirus here. I'm not leaving the house. I'm staying in the safety of the man cave. Yeah. No. You lot are going to be getting a lot of videos because I'm not leaving this house, like I said. No chance. Absolutely not. No. Anyway, what are we talking about today? We are talking about... I've totally forgot because of the whole scary virus thing. Oh yeah, that's right. We're talking about making neon signs glow. That's right. Neon signs are going to glow. After Effects tutorial, let's get into it. Okay, so first things first, let's head up to File, Import, File, choose your neon sign image, and open. Then let's right click on our image and hit New Comp from Selection. Then let's come down to the blank space here below our neon JPEG. And let's hit New and Solid. And just click OK, no need to change any settings here. Okay, what we need to do next, if it's not already open, is we need to open up the Effects and Presets panel. So you'll find that in Window and Effects and Presets. So go ahead and click on that. Let's search for our Saber effect and drag it on. Then let's go ahead and click on our dark grey solid 1 layer, and we're looking for blending mode and then screen. Then we're going to change our preset to neon, and you can choose whichever color you want, whichever suits. Let's stick with that pink color for now. Okay, next of all we need to select the pen tool from up top here. And we're going to zoom in a little to see what we're doing. And then we're going to trace around our neon sign. I'll speed this up a little bit so I don't bore the tits off you. Okay, once we've finished that, let's head to Customize Core. And we're going to change the core type to layer mask. Now let's adjust our timeline to the appropriate length, so let's pull this bar down till around 5 seconds. Make sure you're at the start of your timeline. Let's set the glow intensity to something low. Let's try 25 to start with. That's pretty low. So this is going to be the neon sign off, and then as we move along the timeline we're going to gradually make it glow more. Let's right click, add keyframe. And let's drag our marker along to about 2.5 seconds. And we will right click, add keyframe, and let's change this to 88%. Then we'll drag a marker to the end of the video and we'll hit right click, add keyframe, and we'll change this back to 25%. And let's see what that looks like. Press spacebar to play. Okay, looks good. Let's export it out and see what we have. To export, we want to go to File, Export, Add to Render Queue. If we click on the name of our .mov file here, I'm exporting to the desktop. It'll always export as a QuickTime movie. And let's just hit Save and then Render. Anyway guys, thanks for watching. Hope you're all keeping safe out there and doing what the government are telling you to do, and you know, washing your hands, sanitizing, not coughing on people, all that stuff. Please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you all in the next one. Go show them your stuff.